Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. And this time we're demonstrating an AM-FM-8 track out of a 73 Lincoln Mark IV. This comes from Tim in Stuart, Florida. Tim has requested the modern internal conversion with Bluetooth and HD radio, so we're here to make sure it works before we send her back. So let's go, and I've got it set to FM at the moment. I have all 5 presets set to stations in my area, so we can get through this test quickly. So here we go.
4650. Totally floored. Highway
Just run through these real quick. That one drifted a bit.
Coming from a few.
Okay, let's flip it over to AM. We get one strong station around the center. There's a weak one. There's a weak AM station.
Gigantic authority.
Okay, there's our strong AM station.
Now,
so while we've got it set to talk radio, let's check our balance and fader functions.
Monkeypox.
Virtual front rear fader.
The reason.
Fader adjust.
Okay, all the way front.
You are expected to inhabit.
All the way rear.
Yes, makes sense.
Front.
Yes, that makes sense.
Rear.
Because it is discriminatory and
Okay, center of the
stigmatizing.
speakers.
Their words.
Fader set. Okay, left, right, balance.
Huh.
Balance adjust.
Okay, all the way left. All the way right. Say something.
Yes.
Okay.
The Department
Left.
of Health and Human Services,
Right.
the U.S. has declared the
Okay,
disease
center.
that will soon be.
Balance set.
Okay, make sure the Bluetooth goes into parry mode.
Bluetooth ready to
Okay,
pair.
so we know the Bluetooth is working. So now we can try the 8-track.
So,
Got some, we don't need these speakers anymore.
formerly known as monkey.
And this 8-track's going to jump out at you. Blank spot there. Okay, I think we're coming up on an automatic track change in a second. Yep, here we go. Automatic track change. There's our track change. And there's the song continuing. Alrighty, pull a tape.
And the businesses that
Radio
are
comes
thriving
back.
are those that are forward-thinking.
Alrighty, so that completes the test. So let's check the dial light, make sure that's flash. You can see it flashing on and off through that opening right there in response to my commands. So that completes the test. It's all working. She's ready to go back, and I'm ready to get on to the next job. Incidentally, this customer requested the conversion to be wired to the original connectors, which on this radio won't give you that big increase in output power because it's running into a common ground speaker system. So that's what the customer wanted. What you lose in power, you gain in convenience because the radio will just plug right back in. So I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and you can reach me through my website in the description below. Thanks so much for watching and listening. Thank you, Tim, for your business all the way from Stuart, Florida. That's all the way across the country, and we'll see you guys next time.